Gold traded with a bearish bias yesterday and has got a very important support and critical support at 1990 levels. At the same time, on the upside, even if it tried to retrace, our selling levels yesterday 2001 2002 are proving out to be a great resistance. So now what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to continue with the bearish bias here, or we can expect a reversal? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and a strategy for the day. Do watch till the end. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's start. First, we look at the hourly charts. And if you look at the hourly charts, see, so far you can see the price is staying within the range, consolidating here. Lower highs are seen here and higher lows are seen. It is still very much within the zone. I will wait for it to stay below 1990 levels, 1989 levels. That is the price below which certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. I will look forward to 1985 and 1980 as the next. Also, one must note that 1985, 1980, this complete zone between 1990 to 1980 is a great support zone for the gold, and prices can reverse any point of time as soon as or as long as these levels are respected. At some point of time today, I expect at least gold to breach below 1990. In fact, can try to move towards 85 or 80 levels as well. If you look at the moving averages, they've started to converge but not yet crossed over. If you look at what is happening here, see this stronger breakout from where this is started from around 84, 85 levels. And it can try to cover up this complete move. What we have seen, this is the liquidity gap which it may try to fill up. Stochastic looking downwards right now. The MACD is staying bearish. The RSI is also trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see, most importantly, the lower highs and the higher lows, and this candle trying to stay below this zone, very important. The most important part is the resistance at 1990, breaking below which at least 1985, 1980 zones should be achieved here. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also staying bearish here. Coming to 3-hour. Now see, on the 3-hour charts, what gold has done so far, it has taken the support from the moving average. See, whenever the prices were divergent from the 20 period, it has achieved 20 period and tried to bounce back. The same phenomena is observed here. It has tried to achieve the 20 period moving average. Any break below this 20 period moving average, specifically, it is confirmed once it stays below 1990. Certainly, one can expect we may see it hitting the 50 period moving average or going close to it. And that is why I say for the day, 85-80 zone is achievable and is a great resistance. On the upside, 2002 levels is the zone beyond which only further bullishness can be seen. In fact, one can initiate a buying position at 1998 and expect a resistance at around 2002. So this is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance. Beyond 2002, it is bound to show a complete reversal. Stochastic looking down here. MACD crossing over, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Coming to 4-hour, if you look at 4-hour charts, yes, price is willing to cross, willing to trade bearish. But if you look at the preceding candle, the bearishness was diminished, though it is closed at the bottom. And this candle, once it breaks below the preceding lows, possibly more bearishness can be seen. Specifically, I will wait for the prices to stay below 1993. That is a zone below which certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to stay bearish here. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also trying to trade with slight bearish bias. And coming to the day, if you look at the daily chart, see the rise, retracement, higher highs, higher lows. In fact, if you connect the dots, you will also note that gold is staying in this zone, and 1980 certainly is a greater support below which further bearishness may prevail here. One should remember the point, the prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average, and the 20 period moving average is right now sitting close to 1955, 1960 zone. Thus, yes, it can try to achieve these levels here. Possibility exists that gold might try to move towards this zone. However, it has to break the critical support levels 1980-85 zone below 1990. See, 1990 definitely is the first support zone, and then below that 1980-85. If these two levels are taken, certainly one can say that the prices will strive to achieve towards the moving average. It may try to fill this complete gap and it can try to move towards 1960 level. There is a probability to it. Stochastic was overbought. That is why we can see first red candle and today could be the second red candle here. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is still in green and too much of divergence calls for it to converge. RSI overbought. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before I move you to the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join the mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can reserve your seats by joining or visiting the platform forexfunda.com. This is my own platform created with the vision to provide everything required by a trader under one single umbrella, whether be it the economic calendar, be it the markets and charts. If you look at the chart, you will find the live prices for anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here, whether be it stocks, funds, future, forex, CFD, crypto, indices, bonds, commodities, economy. Everything is available under here. You can just search for your favorite instrument, create your own strategy, draw the charting, and everything can be done. And yes, you can book a call if you need any guidance with respect to any of your existing position or a futuristic prediction you want me to make. You can book a call, schedule a call with me. Now, under the live mentorship, yes, this is a tab where you can buy, where you can pay and reserve your seats. This is a tab where you are going to get your next mentorship batch and the members will be added here. Announcement is where you will find the curriculum for the next batch. Everything is mentioned here. Also, the fees structure, the batch details and the timings are also mentioned, and you can register yourself by filling out the details. The most important part is the discussion where you will find the summary of my observations and we can have a discussion around this with the like-minded traders. To initiate a discussion, just visit the forum forexfunda.com. Now, looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy today at 1998, but this is with a caution note. First resistance at 2001-2002 zone, second at 2006, and only if prices stays beyond 2006, you can say this is a reversal and we are going to see a massive rally. As long as 2006 is respected, do not treat gold as bullish, do not treat gold for a reversal. We may expect a price drop, and thus we have to take the buying entries with strict caution, with a strict stop loss and a trailing stop loss. On the downside, I recommend you to sell here at 1990 levels, below which the target is going to be 1985, 85, 86 zone first target, and then 80, 82 zone the next target. Below 1980, if you see the price is staying, you can say that the prices have turned bearish, and we can say more bearish momentum to be seen, and we can look forward to a drop towards 1960, 1954 levels, if not today, possibly tomorrow with the Fed. Thus, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my free Telegram channel, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session.